So what I learned about making money is that you really don't need a degree in order to do very, very well. All right. Now, I do have a degree. I went to school and I went to college, but everything that I'm going to share with you in this video, I didn't actually use anything from that side of my life at all to generate hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars online, and certainly not any one of these 8 income streams. Okay, my finance degree that I got from Melbourne University, great university and stuff like that. I thank my parents. They worked very, very hard. They took loans and stuff like that to send me through university. I didn't use any of that to make any of the money that I'm going to share with you here. So if you're watching this and you don't have a degree, just understand that you don't need a degree to become a millionaire. Okay, you don't need a degree to make a lot of money, because unfortunately degrees pretty much don't do shit, right? It might get your foot into the first job that you get, but you really don't even need that to learn how to become very, very successful, right? So I'm going to be very transparent in this video. I'm going to share with you the 8 different income streams that I have, how I did it, how I learned it. And it certainly has nothing to do with college or university or school or anything like that, okay? So the first one is I learned how to finally sell affiliate products online, okay? So that was my base. It took me a long time. I failed for 8 years. I spent over $50,000, learning how to do it because the information was so bad out there. People teaching all sorts of rubbish, and, I was just watching a lot of free YouTube videos that just sends you around in circles and circles and circles. So don't do that. Always follow a mentor, always follow a course, always be willing to pay for good information. Okay. If you're not willing to do that, then just please stay in your 9-to-5 job, because you'll never break through, because free stuff is just shit. You're not going to get real good information without real mentorship and a good program. That is just the bottom line. All right. So I finally learned how to sell other people's digital products online, and that is my first income stream. Okay, I just got to about $20,000+ a month with that particular income stream. It still brings in money for me. I still sell other people's products. Mainly for me now, the affiliate products I sell are tools that I use in my business, right? So I use certain tools in my business to grow the business. If you think about it, it's like infrastructure. If you want to cook, spaghetti bolognese, or you want to bake a chocolate cake, what do you need? You need tools, right? You need the kitchen, you need the spatula, you need the oil, all the ingredients, all the food. You need the knives, you need the cutting board, right? You need the stove, you need the hood. Without these kind of things, you're not going to be able to cook that dish, right? Very, very similar with building any sort of business. You need the foundational tools. Now, in affiliate marketing, you need basically a funnel builder, okay? An email, sort of a website builder that builds out your simple sales process. Then you need an autoresponder, which is basically the email managing software that collects all the emails and communicates with your prospects on a regular basis. And then the last thing is you need tracking. You need a tracking tool to make sure that you're actually doing the right things, right? Are you converting properly? Are you not converting properly? What do you need to change? So I resell those tools as well, because I use them every single day in my business. So I know that other people need to use them as well. So I have a referral program that I use, an affiliate program, and when people buy, I make a commission, okay? So that is one of my main income streams. My second income stream is my own digital coaching program, where I teach people how to build a digital affiliate business. So this is my 30-hour program. I put in a lot of hours into it, building it out. So if people want to work with me and they want a step-by-step, I literally show them exactly how I build my business every single day. And I teach them how to sell in pretty much any niche that they want, okay? Any industry, as long as they're selling digital products, I teach them the skills, I show them the foundations, I show them the tools that they need to use, I get them in the right mindset. We've got a private community where we hang out every single day. I go live for my higher level students, right? And I basically support them all the way from start to finish, from A to Z, right? So that's my own digital coaching program. That is my second income stream. That's where I generate income as well, all right? And then the third one is basically from YouTube automation. Okay, YouTube, basically I upload content onto YouTube to generate leads, right? There's many ways to generate leads. You can do paid advertising like Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Bing, solo ads, stuff like that. But you can also do free stuff. I do a lot of free stuff, right? So a lot of organic traffic comes from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, right? These 4 platforms the main places where I get my leads from. Now, interestingly, when you upload content onto places like YouTube and Facebook, right? If you're doing well, if you're generating a lot of views, then these two platforms will pay you for uploading content. Okay, so I make money through YouTube automation. I upload content on YouTube, and I've got, from the videos I upload, I'm generating leads, but I'm also generating ad revenue through Google AdSense on the YouTube platform. And on Facebook, it's just the Facebook monetization program. And I also have another YouTube automation channel that I have a team that looks after that, and they upload content, that they create, and I generate pure ad revenue from that particular source as well. So that's my third source, YouTube automation from Google AdSense, and number 4 from Facebook monetization, just for uploading content through Facebook, which generates me leads as well into my affiliate businesses and my own digital coaching program. So it all kind of works together, right? So that's 4 income stream so far. The 5th income stream is basically a high ticket back end product in the direct selling industry. When people come through my coaching program, if they're interested in modeling my exact sales process, then that's what they're going to have to join. It's a high ticket back end program, great products, and they get to monetize that as well. And I also get to monetize on the back end as well. All right. So that's 5. All right. Now, I just want to mention that these 5, okay, how I learned how to do that was I literally went out and I sought mentorship. Okay. So I read a lot of books. I bought a lot of courses. I invested a lot in mentors, not just one mentor, but multiple mentors, because what you're going to find is some people are better than other people, all right? And you're just going to have to do your research, go out there, find somebody that you connect with, and that is building their business the way that you want to build your business, right? So that's very, very important. If you join someone who is not active in their business, then maybe they're a little bit too far removed from that particular thing. And you're going to have to find a new mentor, right? And sometimes it requires you to find multiple mentors, right? But the important thing is that you find someone who has the skill set that you want, who is building the type of business that you want to build, and you go out there, you reach out to them, see if they have a program, and get into the program. That's literally what I did. That's how I learned how to generate leads on Instagram. That's how I learned how to generate leads on YouTube. That's how I learned how to generate leads on TikTok. These were 3 different mentors, right? 3 different specialists: a YouTube specialist, an Instagram specialist, and a TikTok specialist. Unfortunately, that's just what you have to do. Sometimes you get lucky and you find someone that has multiple skill sets and they can teach you all those things. But what I found is a lot of the time they don't do that. They're quite specialized, but you can get lucky, right? So for example, I teach Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. I do all 3 of these things because I went through the process, right? But when I learned them, I had to find individual experts, okay? Then I also found an expert in teaching how to do affiliate marketing properly, doing it the right way, right? Learning how to build a proper selling process out, right? A proper sales funnel. How do you add value? How do you get people to trust you? How do you pick products? How do you pick, quality stuff? How do you make maximum commissions per product that you sell? I mean, these are all, quite technical things that you have to learn because it's a technical space. It's internet marketing, right? It's not super difficult. You just have to find the right person that can give you the right information, right? YouTube automation, right? That falls under YouTube. Facebook monetization. I had to find someone who understood how to do the Facebook marketing, right? And then I combined all of these things together because essentially they're one business, right? They're affiliate marketing, and then there's all the lead generation on top of it. With regards to my own digital program, I had to find someone to teach me how to create my own program because that's a skill in and of itself, right? You have to learn how to create your program. You have to learn how to shoot it. You have to learn what platform you can house it on. You have to learn how to do all the merchanting solutions on the back end. You have to learn how to build your sales video, your sales funnel to sell your own product. It's very different from selling other people's stuff, right? Because when you sell other people's stuff, they already have a sales video, they already have a funnel. You just have to learn how to brand yourself and get traffic, right? And recommend other people. Okay, so you're not going to learn this in school. I mean, when I did my finance degree in Melbourne University of Melbourne, I mean, they don't teach you how to make money at all. They just taught me a whole bunch of random shit that I never used in real life, to be honest. I mean, it's a great university. I had a great time. I learned how to smoke weed and drink alcohol and, do funnels and stuff like that. Made some friends, had a good time, right? Learned some stuff in school. There were some cool subjects. But did it teach me anything about really making money and building wealth? Zero. And that is the problem with the education system, right? Internationally, that is the problem with the education system. It doesn't teach you anything about managing your finances, investing, or building businesses. Zero. All right. So all of these skills that I learned, that I just told you, the first 5 income streams, right, is basically I learned that on my own through seeking out mentorship and basically getting into courses, investing into their programs and learning step by step that way. I was still a good student, and that's a very, very important skill set that I learned, is that you have to be willing to learn. You don't know everything, okay? Even until now, even though I've made millions online, I don't know everything, and I'm consistently a student. All right. I will never say I know everything, and I will never have such a big ego that I'll be like, no, I don't need to learn that because I know everything. No, you don't. You don't know everything. All right. Because there's always another level, right? If you start making tens of thousands of dollars a month, you have to, if you want, you have to learn how to get to hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Once you get to hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, you have to learn to get to millions of dollars a month. And that jump is completely different. How you set up your business and how you earn money that way is a completely different level and requires a completely different mindset and a completely different skill set. And if you want to learn that, then you have to find people that are doing that, right? If you want to earn millions of dollars a month, you have to find someone who's earning millions of dollars a month. If you want to earn tens of millions a month, you have to find someone who's earning tens of millions a month. Does that make sense, right? And so someone who's making hundreds of thousands and someone who's making billions is a completely different entrepreneur. They're at completely different levels, right? So you need to decide what level you want to be at, find the person that can help you to do it and the skill set, and go and invest in their program. That is the bottom line. That's how you do it, okay? So that's income stream 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then income stream 6, 7, and 8 are basically all investments, right? So number 6 is my properties. I have a couple of properties there. Not a ton of properties. Honestly, I don't like property that much, but I do own a couple of investment properties, right? And then number 7, and this is the one that I really believe in, after investing and trying all sorts of shit, okay, investing in push button software, all sorts of like trading stuff, crypto launches and all that kind of stuff, wasting a ton of money, wasting hundreds of thousands over a decade of investing and learning to invest, buying books, taking courses and stuff like that. The main investment that I like is stocks and funds, is traditional stocks and funds. So I invest in ETFs, exchange traded funds, very stable, and they follow the S&P 500, right? And I buy into high yield long-term stocks. There are basically different companies that offer you different stock picks based on foundational principles, okay, not random stuff, like really, really good stuff. I choose the ones that have been around for a long time and that have high potential in different industries, and I invest long-term into those companies. So I put in lump sums of money on a consistent basis into these companies, and I plan to invest for 20 to 30 years in these companies. That means I buy the stock and I literally do not touch it for 20 to 30 years, okay? You're pretty much guaranteed to make money that way, all right? The only time you're going to lose money in stocks and funds is if you're trying to time the market. That means you're a day trader, you buy in and out consistently, every single month, every single few weeks, every few weeks and stuff like that, then you might lose money, okay? But if you buy low and you plan to hold for decades, right, you will definitely make money, all right? So that's my 7th income stream. And my 8th income stream is also an investment, which is crypto. So for me, again, after being big into crypto, I was in crypto in the early years as well. The only thing that I buy now and really truly believe in, after buying all sorts of shit in crypto, making a lot of money and losing a lot of money, is Bitcoin. That is the only crypto asset that I will buy and hold for the long term, because it's the number one cryptocurrency and it's limited and it will be worth a lot of money in the future. So for that strategy, it's also buy low, never sell, and just keep accumulating over a long period of time. All right. And that's what I've learned. I'm 43 years old now. I do have a degree in finance from a good university, but I never used that degree to earn any of my 8 income streams now that completely changed my life, right? I quit my full-time job in 2019, and I make, way more money than I ever used to in my full-time job. So everything after that had nothing to do with my degree. All right. Everything had to do with self-learning, had to do with having thick skin, had to do with taking action, had to do with being consistent, had to do with doing it no matter what other people said, no matter what your family said, no matter what your friends said, no matter what society said. I did it anyway because I truly believed in my dream and I wanted to live a different life. I wanted freedom. I wanted control. I wanted safety. I wanted to be able to travel the world when I wanted to. I wanted to be able to have my own thing, my own income streams, my own business. And the only way that you're going to do that is if you take some risk, if you take action, if you take a chance on yourself, if you're willing to stretch and grow and learn new skills and always be a student of improving yourself and learning new skills. And I think one of the best skills you can learn is marketing and building businesses online. That is the now, that is the future. It will always be, right? And then obviously AI moving forward as well. But honestly, foundational skills and learning how to market and doing things online is the best thing that you can do. All right. So that's what I've learned. You're not gonna learn making money in school. You're not. That's just like foundational stuff. Learning to socialize, learning to be organized, things like that. Learning to maybe be a good person. All right. But actually learning how to build wealth, you're not gonna learn that in school. That kind of thing you have to learn 100% on your own. And there's great information now out there, right? You just have to go out there and seek the right information and invest in programs, courses, and mentors who you believe in. That's kind of how it works, okay? Now, out of all of these 8 income streams, the one that I can recommend highly to start if you don't have skills is affiliate marketing, digital affiliate marketing, where you're learning to market, where you're learning to put your brand in, you're learning to get in front of people, get attention. Because once you learn how to get attention through things like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, then you can pretty much do anything you want. But the easiest thing, I think, low-hanging fruit, is recommending other people's digital products, because you don't have to create it yourself. It saves time. It's scalable, very, very profitable. And I think that anyone from anywhere in the world can learn how to do it, as long as they have the right attitude and they're willing to learn and grow and take action. Okay. And so if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, digital affiliate marketing, I've got more information on it in the description, which you can check out anytime. I hope you got a ton of value from this video today. And understand that it all starts with you. It has nothing to do with your background. You could be a bricklayer and become a millionaire online. You could be mopping floors, washing dishes, and learn this skill set and learn to become a millionaire, because that's the thing about the internet. It makes everybody equal, which is super duper cool. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.